Oh, he spooked him.
Oh, he tapped it.
He had a little tap.
Oh, I reckon there's something different in there. Brim doesn't normally do that to a big plastic.
The road now takes us north as we try to salvage this quest and catch at least one of the fish on our list.
Good mate up north, Johnny, has rung and said he's been having a great time on the jacks. Get your gear and get in.
No dramas, mate. Let's go grab some gear.
No worries, mate. Quick. As always, Johnny, we've left you a whole lot of work to do. We've come here with one afternoon to catch a jack, really terrible tides, and it's pretty much Nicko and what's my way of trying to find an excuse, because Nicko's actually caught a couple of fish on this mission. I'm probably yet to trouble the scorers. Okay. So what's the plan?
Going to go fish some little side creeks out of the main river here, fish nice and deep. We've picked some pretty good tides here, where there's like about 20 centimetres a run, so not the ideal tides to chase mangrove jack, but yep. I think if we get up those creeks and fish those little Z-Man paddle tails and prawn imitations, fish them nice and deep, nice and slow, we'll just pop it down in front of them and we should be able to get one to bite and hopefully get Nicko a couple more.
Yeah, of course.
You happy up the front or?
Yeah, I'm a left-hander.
You're a lefty?
Yeah.
All right, I'm righty.
Yeah, that's why you get put up the front.
Yep.
Like, most people are righties.
Yep. Oh, this is a bit long, this rod, 6'3". With the tides we got today, Nige, we just really want to sink those plastics down deep. The lack of current there will sort of draw them down in that sort of slack water and wait for their little ambush points. Yeah, work them nice and deep, slow, get it right in front of their faces, and yeah, hopefully get a reaction out of one.
Oh, he spooked him.
Oh, he tapped it.
He had a little tap.
Might have actually been another one because it looked like he was going that way when he tapped. Oh, I reckon there's something different in there. Brim doesn't normally do that to a big plastic. Might just turn us around so we can work this little area a bit slower. Yeah. So after you get that snag off. Yeah, this bit of bank along here is pretty handy, little bit of bank. A lot of submerged timber.
There's one.
Oh, good cod. Up him, up him.
Got him. Whew.
The elusive cod, eh?
Yeah. Saw that first little flash and I thought, it might be a jack, and then no.
Yeah.
These are one of Johnny's pets.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure he breeds them up, fattens them up for his clients, because they well and truly keep you on your toes. They get over really quickly. Check out that for a mouthful of teeth.
There we go.
Is it Johnny?
He's back on a cod, but we'll see how we go. Oh yeah.
That's a good one too.
You called it.
Yep.
Oh, that's a black.
Yeah, blackie. This one's Roscoe.
Roscoe.
Yep.
So mate, talk us through your favourite cod retrieve there, Johnny.
Well, I usually like to see where you've cast, and then after they've seen your retrieve, I like to pop it in behind it so they can eat it. Because they usually
retrieve, just a teaser. It's
no,
a cod tease.
They usually can't get to your retrieve. They try to eat it 4 times, go left, right, left, right, left, right, and then I just put one in there behind it and let it sink down. They let it eat it. Oh, yep, there's one. What the hell's that?
What is it, Johnny?
Barra.
Oh, it's a
jack.
horse jack.
Oh, it's a good jack,
Right.
Johnny. It's a good jack.
Yeah. There you go.
Yes.
That's how you do it.
So, Nicko, I worked out our problem.
We need a Johnny in the boat.
We need a Johnny.
42, 43 maybe. I'm happy with that.
We're happy too.
We're very happy with that.
I can tell.
We can't tell you how happy we are with that.
Little wiggle.
Work, Johnny.
That's it.
Nice work, mate.
One down. There you go, fish.
Yes.
Jack, is it? There you go.
Hey,
Bravo, Nicko.
The man.
Nigel.
The man.
I wonder what you're puffing about. Thought you might have another cod, mate, but
that
you
was
didn't.
that was nervous energy. That puffing.
Was it?
That puffing was, yeah. It wasn't exhaustion. It's nerve releasing.
How good's Johnny Campbell, mate?
JC.
You can call him JC.
I'm now.
You're on the list.
I can now call him JC and officially a mate.
Johnny has a little private joke standing. You actually got to catch fish before you can call him his nickname, JC. And I'll just stick to Johnny because I definitely haven't caught any of those today. But mate, he's got a tide that's this big today.
Mate,
we brought him out and said, mate, show us
conditions.
what you could do. And as a guide, he must go, yeah, awesome.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
But as always,
And if you can do it on these tides, you can do it any time, I say.
as always, he puts us on to fish. And We don't always convert them, but he has certainly put us onto them. So we've caught our jack, a few other things, and
It's been a good session.
well done, Johnny Campbell.
This is it.